What are you making today, Chef?
I'm making some creamy pumpkin and potato soup.
Awesome.
It's going to be delicious. So this is going to be Cain's new segment called Pants Off Cooking. If you see me at the campsite with the apron on and no pants, you know I'm cooking, so don't come around, I'm cooking.
Radio Master Chef, what are you cooking me for dinner tonight?
Pumpkin soup.
Oh, pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Have you cooked pumpkin soup before?
Me personally?
Yes.
Nope.
You.
No.
Okay, so how are you cooking it?
You're getting all the ingredients and I'm just looking up the book.
I have to say, does anyone else's husband cook? I need this, I need this, I need this, I need this. Can you go get them?
Look, to be fair, I know what I need, but it's where it is and then I can't find it and then I pull the place apart looking for it and she tells me off because I've pulled everything out and it was in an easy spot to find.
We've been in the van for like 3 years. It's not that hard. You just want someone to do it for you.
I need company. Putting obviously some pumpkin, some potato, some onion. I've got some stock that I'm doing here. The recipe doesn't actually tell me how much of everything to put in, so I'm just putting it all in and then we'll run it for about 10 or 15 minutes, puree it.
Run it on what function? Because it's the multi-cooker, so we got lots of functions.
Oh, look, I'll just pick one.
Are you serious?
Pressure cook?
Yes. So pressure cooker for 10 minutes?
Yep. And then puree it, add the cream, stir it in.
How are you going to puree it in a caravan?
No, we've got a puree. You've got one. So I'm going to... You got it for me. Because I'd spend hours looking for this bad boy.
It's a blitzer, Cain.
A blitzer?
A blitzer.
Yeah,
we don't have a proper puree thing.
Yeah, look, the blitzer will do the job.
So it's cooking with Cain, and I don't think it's quick cooks with Cain because it's going to be painful, and I'm meant to be teaching while he's cooking.
Yeah, but I've got an apron. I could put the apron on and do all the cooking. Apron and...
How is an apron going to help you?
Yeah, cook much better.
Righty, get it out. Let's see it. No.
Voila. It's a good apron too. It's a good apron.
The sun is in the road.
The sun is right in the road, yes. Tie the apron up.
No. Give us a look.
At me working.
I thought you told me you were going to do it with no pants on.
Yeah, I do all my best work with no pants on. And pants off.
Go over there. Are you serious?
I told you, I do all my best work with my pants
Walk over there because you're in the sun. I can't see it properly.
With one leg in my pants. Stuck.
You're so lucky that shirt's long. The granny didn't want to see your butt. Go do your cooking then.
Stirring up my stuff.
I don't know how hygienic this tea's going to be. Pray for us. I'm teaching in a minute and we've got old no pants for you walking around.
What you do. If you see me at the campsite with the apron on and no pants, you know I'm cooking, so don't come around, I'm cooking. To bed. Okay, now when do you want me to put them in? Wow, welcome to Cain's Pants Off Cooking. Do we reckon this segment will take off? I've got the nice apron, cooking some creamy pumpkin and potato soup.
Why are the pants off?
Because I do my best work with my pants off.
I hope it tastes better than it looks.
Yeah, so if you see me with my pants off and the apron on, don't come looking, I'm cooking.
Rightio, Mr. Cook Extraordinaire.
Cook Extraordinaire.
What do you reckon?
It's bloody delicious. Got me pumpkin soup. It looks delicious. It's nice and creamy. Tastes awesome. Mwah.
I'm actually going to call you, you're just a cutting up man. Because literally that's all you actually did.
I had some other chores to do when you mixed it up.
I blitzed it. I put some little spices and seasonings.
I cooked it all. I did all that stuff.
Hey, I hate pumpkin. Pumpkin is not my vegetable. But this pumpkin soup is actually delicious.
It is very delicious. So, very easy to do.
Yeah, in the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Super easy. Yep. Like, I didn't video blitzing it, but literally pressure cooked 10 minutes. We let it sit in there for about 2 hours while I was doing some TKA teaching. Blitzed it. Ready in seconds.
Done. Now.
Good day, team.
Let's eat.